Hello, doing a quick review of the Dynatrap DT1050 or the half acre versions of it. I bought one on Amazon about a month and a half ago, and it was working so good. The fan was sucking in, and I filled the reservoir up pretty quickly. I was very happy. I liked the product. It was on sale, 140 down to 80 bucks or 70 or something like that. So I ordered another one. So, but believe it or not, the fan stopped spinning on both of them. So they're a month apart, and the fan stopped working. So I looked online, and it's a common issue. Whatever, I'm not gonna try to fix it, take it apart, do all that stuff. If that's the quality of the product, nope. Worked for 30 days. I liked it, but besides that, I'm glad it happened before I can return them. So, but yeah, the fan stopped working. So it's a common issue, and apparently a common issue for a while. And they're still selling them. I don't understand it. It really surprised me. I thought they would have fixed it like 2 years later after the first comments happened. So buyer beware. Don't buy them.